Have you ever wondered what keeps our electrical system safe from electromagnetic interference and potential hazards? The answer lies within the cable shields. Cable shields are the unsung heroes of our electrical world, quietly doing their job to maintain the smooth operation of electronic devices and power cables. These metallic coverings enclose insulated conductors or groups of conductors, serving as a critical protective layer. Now, you might think that all cable shields are created equal. However, electronic and power cable shields, despite their similar appearance, perform vastly different functions. Electronic cable shields are designed to minimize the effects of external electromagnetic signals on the conductors within the cable. At the same time, they work diligently to reduce the radiated signal from the cable to an acceptable level. On the other hand, power cable shields play a critical role in protecting us from shock hazards and increasing cable reliability. They prevent partial discharges, also known as corona, within the cables. The National Electrical Code even requires most cables rated 2400 volts or greater to be shielded. So how do these shields do this? They provide a uniform distribution of electrical stress throughout the insulation. This distribution helps extend the life of the cable by eliminating partial discharges. That's right, these shields not only protect us, but also help our devices last longer. In essence, cable shields are like the protective suits of our electrical systems. They ensure that everything runs smoothly, efficiently, and safely, shielding our devices and us from potential harm. They might be hidden from view, but their role is indispensable in our everyday lives. So, the next time you plug in your laptop or switch on your television, take a moment to appreciate the intricate world of cable shields. They might not be as flashy as the latest tech gadgets, but without them, our electrical world wouldn't function as seamlessly as it does. Now that you know what cable shields are, let's delve deeper into the components of a power cable shield. The conductor shield, also known as the strand shield, is a crucial component of power cables. But why is it so important? Well, let's delve into the heart of the matter. The conductor shield is there to provide a smooth, continuous, and void-free interface between the conductor and insulation. You see, the non-round geometry of stranded conductors can leave air gaps. These gaps, if left unattended, are fertile grounds for high electric fields to cause partial discharges, which can harm the insulation. The conductor shield serves as the knight in shining armor, warding off these discharges and ensuring the longevity and reliability of your power cable. Now, there are two basic types of conductor shields: conductive and emission shields. An emission shield works its magic by using a material with a high dielectric constant. However, the real star of the show, the one that's most commonly used, is the conductive shield. This shield employs a material with electrical conductivity that strikes a balance between that of a metallic conductor, like copper, and an insulator, like cross-linked polyethylene or XLP. This material is often referred to as a semiconductive shield, but don't let the name fool you. It has nothing to do with semiconductors used in the electronics industry. Semiconductive shields need to be as smooth, cylindrical, and clean as possible. It's like the perfect bowling lane. It has to be impeccably polished, free of any dents or debris. Any irregularities could lead to electrical stress concentrations, which in turn could cause insulation damage. So to sum it up, the conductor shield acts like a protective layer, safeguarding the insulation against potential damage. It keeps the electric fields in check and ensures that the power cable can perform its function smoothly and efficiently. But that's not where the story of cable shields ends. Clearly, the conductor shield plays a pivotal role in power cables. But what about the outer shield? Let's find out. Just like the conductor shield, the outer shield, or insulation shield, plays a significant role in protecting the insulation from damaging effects of corona. This outer shield isn't just a fancy accessory, it's the first line of defense against the onslaught of corona discharges. It's kind of like a knight's armor, but for cables. Without this shield, the insulation is left vulnerable to damage, which could lead to premature failure. Now, the outer shield doesn't just sit on top of the insulation. Oh no, it gets up close and personal. It maintains an intimate contact with the insulation, creating a smooth, continuous surface. This not only helps to distribute electrical stress evenly, but also prevents the formation of voids and defects. Voids are like little pockets of air that can disrupt the electrical field, causing the insulation to degrade over time. So, it's crucial that the outer shield is as flawless as possible. But the outer shield isn't all about defense. It also has a critical safety function at terminations and splices. You see, the metallic part of the shield may not completely cover the cable insulation surface at these points. This is where the insulation shield steps in, ensuring that the entire cable remains protected. And then we have copper tape. This stuff is like the cherry on top of our cable shield sundae, typically about 5/1000ths of an inch thick and 1 to 1.5 inches wide. This tape is usually applied in a spiral pattern over a semi-conducting polymer insulation shield. Power cables rated between 5 and 35 kilovolts often employ copper tape as the metallic component of the metal polymer shielding system. This copper tape enhances the shield's overall effectiveness by providing another layer of protection against electrical stress and corona discharges. There you have it, a comprehensive overview of the integral components of cable shields and their significance in our electrical systems. Cable shields, though often overlooked, play a crucial role in our electrical systems. They are the unsung heroes, ensuring both the safety of the user and the efficiency of the conductors. Electronic cable shields minimize the effects of external electromagnetic signals and reduce radiated signals from the cable, while power cable shields protect the user from shock hazards and increase cable reliability. Diving deeper, we explored the conductor and outer shields in power cables. The conductor shield provides a smooth, continuous, and void-free interface between the conductor and insulation, preventing harmful partial discharges. The outer shield plays a similar role, but on the exterior of the insulation. And let's not forget the copper tape, often used in power cable shields, which forms a crucial part of the metal polymer shielding system. So, the next time you look at an electrical cable, remember the intricate shield system working tirelessly to keep our electrical system safe and efficient.